let's make this Greek yogurt cheesecake bark. First thing, you're going to line a baking sheet and then set that aside. You're going to grab a 1/4 cup of white chocolate and you're going to melt that and then set it aside. I'm going to grab a large bowl. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of cream cheese that has been softened. We're going to add 1½ cups of vanilla Greek yogurt. Do your best to use either 2% or 5% fat content. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we are going to use our hand mixer. You can also whisk this by hand if you like, just to incorporate all the ingredients. If you want this to be a very, very smooth mixture, I would use a food processor. And once you've mixed that for about a minute or so, we're going to add the melted white chocolate. You can add 2 tablespoons of any liquid sweetener that you prefer if you don't like white chocolate, but the white chocolate really gives it more of a cheesecakey kind of flavor. I know that may sound strange, but it actually does. And we're just going to use our hand mixer again just to incorporate that. Again, about a minute or so. And don't worry if you see lumps, it really does not make a difference after it's frozen. We're going to add the mixture to our lined baking sheet and we're just going to spread it out in an even layer, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. And then you're going to need about 1½ cups of berries. I'm using strawberries and blackberries. You guys can use any type of berries that you like. And these are fresh berries. And lastly, this is kind of the best part, is we're going to crush 6 graham crackers and we're just going to add them in, but try to nestle them into the Greek yogurt so they stay in place after they're frozen. And we are going to freeze this for a minimum of 3 hours before slicing. Enjoy our Greek yogurt cheesecake bark. These are probably one of my favorite frozen treats. They are approximately 65 calories per slice with about 3 grams of protein and also a little fiber. They taste so delicious. And it's something that I crave almost every day. I hope you guys love these as much as I do.